Hi, welcome to Glow's Kinder Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, today I'm making some steamed spinach, and I do it in the microwave, and I thought I'd just show you how I do it. It's very simple and easy and delicious. So with this here, I put an 8-ounce bag of spinach in here. And when I'm putting it in, I always check the spinach that's in the bag to see if there's any that's not very nice. And like, for example, this one was starting to get bad. And let me show you another one. See how they just kind of start to wilt and stuff. And so those are the ones I discard. And so this is what we ended up with. There was very few that I had to throw out. And I just drizzle a little bit of water on it, not much, as you can tell. And when I was putting this spinach in this dish, you have to compress it down. If you don't, the spinach will be all over here. 8 ounces is quite a bit. It fits in that was this whole bag. But it will be interesting for you to see what it looks like when it's all done, because it will really shrink down. But anyway, you put a lid on it, just like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in my microwave, and I'm going to cook it for about 3 minutes, and then we'll take a look at it and see what it looks like. Hi, well, it's been 3 minutes that we microwaved on high this spinach, and I thought I'd show you what it looks like. I always lift it away from you because there's a lot of steam in here. So do you recall how high this was up on here? And now look at it.
I do.
And look how that's cooked down.
Way down, Miss Glow.
Yeah. And it will actually cook down a little bit more before it's completely done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm adding a 1/2 tablespoon of butter. And I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on it too. Just about the same amount. Actually, olive oil might have been a little less. And then I'm going to add some salt. We'll start with like about that much. It's about 1/4 teaspoon. And that should be sufficient. And these are some ingredients that I have ran across that I think are just really good with steamed spinach. This one's ground nutmeg. And a little bit goes a long way, but it really enhances flavor. And the other one is marjoram. And a good friend of mine told me about this when they were over for dinner, and I said, let's give it a try, and it really helped. So thank you, Maggie, for that suggestion, because it really does make it nice. And again, just a little bit.
What does that marjoram do, Miss Glow?
It's an herb, and it actually adds more flavor to your spinach.
Aha.
So I'm just going to let this kind of set and get all happy together. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the microwave, but I'm not going to turn the microwave on. I'm just going to let it set and kind of marry the spices together, and we'll see you back in a while. Hi, well, it's been a few minutes, and I did have this sitting in the microwave just so that the spices would get married through it, and just going to stir it up. But you can see how this is really cooked down. Can you imagine that was 8 ounces of spinach? And this is just going to be delicious. I think this is one of our favorite vegetables that's, healthy, and I just want to taste this and make sure that we have the right amount of salt and nutmeg and everything. You guys, it is delicious. Very yummy.
It's a winner, Miss Glow?
It is. And it's so easy.
It is good.
And it's healthy. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I would like to know how you guys cook your spinach as well. That's how we learn from each other. Anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Bye.